Hey guys, this is Andy. Welcome you back in today on this Friday around noon. It's been a cold start even though we're in spring here. Woke up with frost on the windows this morning. You can see behind me we've got roofing going on today as well as all the inside work that's happening. Trying to finish up framing, getting ready for drywall. Electrician's about to finish up all the rough ends. Plumber's working through his rough end as well, and we're just getting close. So the outside here, you can see behind me this big old pile of metal. 4 layers of shingles on this roof on top of a metal roof. So all of that is gone now, laying in a pile, about to start resheeting all of the roof that you see above there, and then go on with the new shingles. After that, they'll be rebuilding the box gutters. But wanted to take a walk around today and show you where we're at this point. A lot of new things happening. You also see the new window there behind me in the front living room. We'll take a look at that and what the process was of getting that back in place. So let's take a walk around, check it out. No, no, no. Hey guys, this is Andy. Welcome back here as we do another walkthrough today. It's been a week or so since we've done any type of an update video, and want to give you guys a new look at where we're at. You can see on the outside the roof is completely on. The box gutters are rebuilt, soffits, and we're working on the siding. We've got this front window trimmed back in, pulling nails, starting to sand the original siding, getting it ready for paint, and then working our way around installing the new siding in places where it's missing. So let's take a walk around and look at it, give you guys an update as well. We've got drywall going up on the inside, which gets us closer to paint, and then the remainder of the finishes. So let's check it out. Beautiful day here in Clarksville, Indiana, and I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough. All right, let's check this thing out. Got caulking going, sanding on the wood siding. We've got on the back here where all the house rep is. We're actually gonna do fiber cement around the back side. Everything else is getting original cedar beveled prime siding going back on it. Again, the whole roof is on top. And let's make our way through the carport area here. We've got all the window frames rebuilt and back in. I think most of the glass has been replaced. And nailing up siding over here. Coming back together. Let's check out the inside. All right, so drywall on the first floor, making a dent here. We've got ceilings going up. This was the section we had the original beadboard. We're leaving that without going over it with any drywall. So we're gonna leave that look here. And then that also continues on here into the half bath for the first floor. And stepping on through into the kitchen. Got all of our can lights. You can see here in the kitchen, everything's wired for under cabinet lighting as well. Our staircase, our secondary staircase going up the back side to upstairs. Got a recess for the refrigerator here. On the right, you see where it goes down to the basement. So on our plaster, we're going over everything with 1/4 inch drywall, and then our ceilings are getting 1/2 inch. Ceilings we had framed down the 11 inches to allow for our ductwork and our plumbing and our electric to run. Everything's getting cleaned up with this new drywall going over it. Plaster had been crumbling underneath. This is the section of the wall we had rebuilt where the box gutters had rotted out and that whole corner of the house had rotted out. We'll check out upstairs too. Not a whole lot has happened up there since our last update. Drywall hasn't started up there either. See here behind me, we've cut in. We didn't have room in the kitchen to do an attic access hole, so we're going to do one here in the stairwell. This goes out into the back section over the whole kitchen and bathroom and laundry area. We've replaced the glass here in this hall window, and then we've still got drywall staged up here, getting ready to hang. So everything framed and ready. Everything's been inspected. I'm just waiting for drywall to move its way up here. I think the only other thing from an update standpoint, we've got the master bathroom here. We ended up framing in, we had a 6-foot wide bathroom, we have a 5-foot tub, so we ended up framing up a section to be able to put some shelves in there, a place to put some towels, maybe a candle, some other things, and to be able to use that space other than it just being a wasted void. And we've got our exhaust fan up top. So next time we see things, drywall should be completed. We should be getting ready to paint inside and then moving on to the tile and the flooring, pulling it all together. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this walkthrough today. We've had a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of time spent pulling things together that you don't see from the outside that doesn't look like a whole lot's happening. But within the next probably 3 to 4 weeks, we're going to see some huge changes. That should be about the time of our next update. But hope you guys enjoy seeing it at this stage, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.